I just picked up another kettle. This is the electric kettle by Breville. It's called the Crystal Clear. And what neat about this one is it's a 1800 watt. I noticed that's more than any other kettle. I'm assuming that will help it boil much faster. I do like that the all the way up to the mouth or the pour of the pitcher is glass. Here's a quick look at the box here. You can pause the video if you want to see the detail. But now, let's get to the unboxing. We have the book. Nobody care. Oh, this is neat. This have a pull assist for the outlet. So that's nice. Little chrome base. This is nice. So you can put it to the length you need. It's open slowly so it doesn't splash. There's a metal rod all the way down though. There you go. It's like a thin metal or more like mesh. Things like filter coffee. So put it again. There's a button. Oh. It's warm to the touch, so it's safe on your table. Alright, something I noticed about when it's finished boiling and everything, it leaves your kettle all condensation up like this.